Okay, video test of a very rare outside temperature gauge in C for Volvo 240. It's reading 20 degrees Celsius and 19.8 degrees Celsius for the infrared on the sender. Underneath the locating pin, there is a potentiometer, so when you get the gauge home and installed, take a eyeglass or jeweler's screwdriver and you can adjust the temperature depending on your application, because these work on resistance, so variables in the ground of the sender will vary it. I'll calibrate it perfectly static and then send it off to you. And then I'll just slide this little black locating pin back in there and it'll be ready to go.